Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about group by. Why should you use group by and why we actually use it. Okay, so group by basically for creating or making a group of common value, either for column or for row. Let's say here you can see I have select all from employee table, and here you can see we have Tanvir 101, 104, 105. So we have three Tanvir here. So when I will use group by, it will actually create a common group. Okay, a common group for me, and it will return only one Tanvir. Why? Because it will take all the Tanvir and it will create only one group, because all the value actually containing same result, right? Same value, Tanvir. Okay, three Tanvir. All right, now let's see how to write group by. So let's say I want to select let's say employee underscore name. Okay, and I want to say from employee. All right, and I will say group by employee name. And now if I execute it, you can see it shows only Tanvir, Milan and Wasi. Why? Because we have said here group by, so it will actually go for common value, that is Tanvir, and it find three times. Okay, if I go here at the top, if I select once again all from employee, you can see, let's say I want to execute it, you can see we have three Tanvir, so it will actually create a common group for Tanvir and it will return only one Tanvir. And if I execute it once again, you can see we have Milan two times, right? So it will actually create a group for Milan and it will show only once. Now let's say want to insert. At first I will say insert into the table employee, and I'm going to say it here, let's say columns and values, and column will be, let's say, employee underscore ID, and value actually I'm going to say it here employee ID comma employee name only. Okay, and here the value will be, let's say 108 comma, let's say employee name, let's say Nusrat. Okay, now let's say I want to execute it, so actually I'm going to break the line here. Okay, now let's say I want to execute it, and here if I go for the next query, you can see that okay, I have added Nusrat. Now you can see I let's say now execute this query. Okay, group by. Okay, now let's execute it, and here you can see it shows all the data, right? So it actually showing three Tanvir and in a one row. Why? Because of this group by. It's showing Milan in a one row. Why? Because of group by. Okay, so this is how actually you can write group by. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.